What if I told you, in just 14 days, you could go from feeling lazy, distracted, and stuck to feeling focused, disciplined, and in control of your life again? Not in some fake wake up at 4 a.m. and become a superhero way. I mean realistically, because right now, your days probably look something like this. You wake up tired. You check your phone. You tell yourself you'll start later. Later becomes tonight. Tonight becomes tomorrow. It's frustrating, and deep down, you know you're capable of more. So here's the plan. Day one starts with something most people ignore. Your environment. Your desk looks like a snack museum and your phone is 5 centimeters away. Your brain has already decided you're not working today. So your first upgrade is simple. Clean one surface. Your desk, your backpack, or your digital workspace. Because when your environment becomes clear, your brain becomes clear too. Day three is where momentum begins. You create a 5-minute start rule. Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, might you tell yourself, I'll start for 5 minutes. Your brain stops resisting. And once you start, something interesting happens. 5 minutes turns into 15. 15 turns into progress, and progress feels good. Now here's the upgrade that changes everything around day 5. Movement. Not workouts, not gym motivation speeches. Just movement. A short walk, stretching. Standing up while thinking. Your brain runs on energy. And energy creates focus faster than motivation ever will. By day 7, something surprising happens. You start trusting yourself again. Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, even a small one, your confidence grows. And confidence is what turns routines into identity. Now here's the secret step most people never try. Day 10 is the distraction reset. Move your phone out of reach when working. Not silent mode. Out of reach. Your brain follows what's easiest. So make focus easier than distraction. And suddenly work starts faster, finishes faster, feels lighter. By day 14, something powerful happens. You don't feel like someone trying to be productive anymore. You feel like someone who is productive. Because high performance isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing small things consistently. Imagine waking up knowing what matters today, starting tasks without overthinking, finishing work earlier, having energy left for yourself. That's what these 14 days create. So here's the full reset plan again. Clean one surface to reset your environment. Start tasks with the 5-minute rule. Move your body daily for energy. Keep small promises to yourself. Move distractions out of reach. Do this for 14 days and you won't just change your routine. You'll change how you see yourself. And once that changes, everything else follows.